Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of your home. However, due to Lexington's fluctuating climate, hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms, windows can develop various issues over time. Understanding these common problems and knowing how to fix them can help you maintain a comfortable and efficient home. Drafty windows. Drafts are a frequent issue in many Lexington homes, especially in older properties. Air leaks occur due to worn-out weather stripping, cracked seals, or gaps between the window and the frame. Drafty windows can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, leading to higher heating and cooling bills. How to fix it? Inspect and replace weather stripping. Check around the window frame for deteriorated weather stripping and replace it if necessary. Apply caulk. Use a high-quality, weather-resistant caulk to seal any gaps between the frame and the wall. Use window insulation film. In the winter months, a temporary window insulation film can help block drafts. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. If drafts persist, investing in double or triple pane windows with proper insulation may be the best long-term solution. Foggy or condensation-filled windows. If you notice condensation between your double-pane windows, it indicates a broken seal. This problem is common in Lexington's humid summers and cold winters, which cause window seals to expand and contract, leading to failure over time. How to fix it? Use a dehumidifier. Excess indoor humidity can contribute to condensation. Using a dehumidifier helps maintain optimal moisture levels inside your home. Check window seals. If the window seal is broken, consider professional resealing or replacing the glass unit. Replace the window if necessary. If fogging persists, replacing the affected window with a more energy-efficient option may be necessary. Difficult to open or close windows. Windows that stick or are hard to operate can be frustrating and may indicate underlying issues such as warped frames, paint buildup, or debris in the tracks. How to fix it? Clean the tracks. Dirt and debris can accumulate in the window tracks, making them hard to open. Regularly clean and lubricate them with silicone spray. Check for warping. Wooden frames may swell in humid conditions. If warping is severe, replacing the frame may be necessary. Remove excess paint. If paint has sealed the window shut, carefully use a putty knife or scraper to remove the excess paint. Adjust or replace hardware. Worn out or broken window hardware can also cause operational issues. Replacing faulty locks, handles, or rollers can help. Broken or cracked glass. A broken or cracked window not only looks bad but also compromises safety and energy efficiency. Storms, accidents, or even temperature fluctuations can lead to glass damage. How to fix it? Use temporary fixes. Clear packing tape can temporarily hold small cracks in place while you arrange for repairs. Replace the glass. If the damage is significant, consider replacing just the glass pane instead of the entire window. Upgrade to impact-resistant glass. If your home is prone to storm damage, consider installing stronger, more durable windows to prevent future breakage. Water leaks around windows. heavy rains in Lexington can cause water leaks around windows, leading to mold, rot, and structural damage. This issue often results from faulty caulking, poor installation, or clogged drainage systems. How to fix it? Reapply caulk. Remove old caulk and apply a fresh, waterproof sealant to close any gaps. Check for gutter issues. Ensure that gutters and downspouts direct water away from the home to prevent water infiltration around windows. Examine flashing and seals. Proper flashing around windows prevents leaks. If missing or damaged, replacing it may be necessary. Noisy windows. Windows that allow excessive outside noise can be annoying, especially if you live near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood. How to fix it? Install weather stripping. Adding quality weather stripping can help block noise in addition to preventing drafts. Use noise-reducing window film. A specialized window film can dampen sound vibrations. Upgrade to double or triple pane windows. Windows with multiple panes provide better sound insulation compared to single pane windows. Final thoughts. Regular window maintenance can prevent many common problems, saving you money on costly repairs and improving your home's energy efficiency. If issues persist or seem beyond DIY fixes, consulting a professional window repair or replacement service in Lexington is a wise investment. By addressing these common window problems promptly, you can ensure a more comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing home.